When you think of Palawan, immediately comes in mind is the beautiful El Nido, Coron, Honda Bay, and Balabac Islands. But slowly gaining prominence is a 1-mile-long beach cove facing north in a small fishing village in the western Palawan. Just 1.5 hours away from the Puerto Princesa city, you can see both the majestic sunrise from the east and a beautiful sunset in the west. Yeah, this is my jam. Seasons change and I love it cold. See the flame, but we can't let go. Sing up. Run away, but we're running in a circle. Run away, I dare you to do something. Let it on you. Oh, yes, so I will take the blame. Run away, run away, run away. Ayos.
Hi! Welcome to our vlog. Okay, let's show the room first. Okay, this is my bed. This is my brother's bed. And look, there's chair. There's a TV! And this is my mom's and daddy's bed. It's the biggest bed. And next, other side.
Show the CR in here.
There's a shower here with a refrigerator there.
Shower, open the shower, show the
Wait, I almost forgot. And it's open. This is shower. This is it. There's a towel there. And there's curtain. So no one can see who's in there. And there's more towels up there. Next, there's a desk. And there's a sink. Wait, with those baskets on them. And these are soap. And what are those? Oh, cotton. And outside is the.
I've never visited the park in my whole life.
Is okay.
What's your lunch? What's your lunch?
Yeah.
Hay, ang ganda talaga. Sa ganda ng tanawin sa aking paglalakad ay narating ko ang dulo ng cove. Naabutan ko ang mga local kids na nagdadive sa mabatong bahagi ng beach. Parang gusto kong sumali. Okay, tara na. Samahan nyo kami mag-swimming dito sa Sabang Beach in a sunny afternoon. Walang kasing ganda talaga ang sunset by the beach. Good night, guys!